Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. When malicious actors manage to penetrate the software supply chain of an organization, the resulting threats can come as a rude awakening for its customers. In one such instance, users of smartphones made by a German firm discovered pre-installed malware on their devices. Gigaset AG, the German smartphone maker, fell victim to a supply chain attack wherein actors delivered malware to Android devices that eventually compromised its servers. Meanwhile, thousands of users were duped off $1 million in cryptocurrency via a fake app security analysis. Also highlighted how some popular collaboration platforms are being abused by hackers to stay undetected. Collaboration applications such as Discord and Slack are being exploited to serve malware to victims via suspicious links. Be on the lookout for these issues online and protect yourself. If you need help, please give us a call. We'd love to help you.